guys, I am here with Coach Diana and we are, oh my gosh, I don't know where I am.
Where are we?
I'm actually a little nervous. There are like legit people here, but we're in Powerhouse Gym in Pennsylvania, which is right by vegan treats. So we have a lift and then we're gonna go get vegan dessert. Yeah. So I'm pretty excited. Diana, what are we training today?
Legs, especially the booty. So, and we're taking a special guest through our workout.
Yes, we have Tofu Strong. Ryan is going to be doing whatever it is that we tell him. So I think we have a lot of banded cable, crossback, kickbacks that he's going to be doing. He's this huge guy, so.
The pump is going to be insane.
The pump is going to be insane. See you guys soon.
Yeah.
So I found this vegan bodybuilder on the street, dragged him to this gym. No, just kidding.
She's the vegan bodybuilder.
This is, my biceps are bigger than yours. Let's just say that. But we're here with Tofu Strong. He and I go way back on Instagram, friends, because that's where everyone meets each other these days. But he is a vegan bodybuilder. He is so strong. So I challenged him.
But I'll take the compliment though. It means a lot.
He just put water on his face to make it look like he was sweating. But we just crushed a leg workout and we're so excited to show you guys the footage. There was a lot of shaking, maybe some bad words said.
Maybe some blood, sweat, and or tears.
Blood,
other
sweat, and tears.
Secretions of sorts.
But yeah, we're excited for you guys to check it out. Let's flex. You guys can see. Ooh.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds, but my gravity centered. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. Oh. Sometimes the silence guides the mind to move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to raise the minute that my left hand meets your waist. And then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue cause you love the taste, yeah. These hearts adore everyone the other beats hard is for. Inside this place is warm, outside it starts to pour. Coming down, one love, two mouths, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us, you find out. Nothing that we don't want to tell you about, no.
So we just spent collectively probably $200 in vegan treats. We've got donuts. Show the donuts. We've got
Cue stock music.
the best soft serve ever, and I have a selection of cheesecakes. And Diana just got one donut.
I did get one donut.
That's all she wanted.
That's all I came here for.
Did you get the sprinkle one?
I did get the sprinkle. Chocolate frosting.
Right.
Because they didn't have chocolate glazed, which I was upset, but it's okay.
I got strawberry cheesecake on a stick and peanut butter mochaccino.
Let me just present the goods. So we got vanilla sprinkle. We got 2 vanilla sprinkles actually, I lied to you. Jelly donut. I think there's no jelly. No, I got 2 Boston creams, chocolate sprinkle boy, and over here, can't forget the cake batter soft serve. The real specialty of vegan treats, obviously. You have to get the soft serve if you come here. And that's pretty much all I got. But Rose got a bunch of stuff, donuts. Diana got a donut. Another sprinkle boy. And I think there's a lot of other goodies in here too.
And I brought my salad, which I'm eating first because
got a meal prep.
Buns. This is meal prep, you guys. Behind the scenes, if anyone's watching this is what my food looks like half the time.
Is that like Vital Wheat gluten?
It's the air fryer bun. My little bun thing.
You gotta give me that recipe.
It's secret recipe. Shh, shh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try out the workout, but actually don't try it out because it was really, really hard and lots more content planned. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.
Peace.